Turn expired listings into your next big real estate win by mastering batch leads. The key to unlocking motivated sellers with expired listings starts with precise targeting within batch leads. Once logged in, navigate to the search or filters section here. You'll find the crucial option to select expired listings. Click on or select the expired listings filter. This tells batch leads you're hunting for properties that were recently on the market but didn't sell. Think of these homeowners as individuals who have already expressed a desire to sell. Now, let's refine your search. You can then layer on additional criteria, specify your desired location, property types, or even focus on specific owner demographics. This ensures you're not just looking at any expired listing, but those most likely to be interested in your services. Once your filters are set, hit search. Batch leads will then present you with a curated list of homeowners whose properties have expired. This is where the real opportunity lies. These are leads who have shown intent and may be more receptive to a new approach. With batch leads, you'll have access to their contact information, allowing you to initiate direct outreach. Remember, the magic isn't just finding these leads, but engaging them. Offer solutions, highlight how you can make their next listing attempt successful, and build rapport. Don't forget to utilize batch leads tools for managing your leads. Track your conversations, add notes about each interaction, and set follow-up reminders. This organized approach is vital for nurturing these potentially lucrative deals. By strategically using batch leads for expired listings, you're tapping into a goldmine of motivated sellers and unlocking your next profitable real estate opportunity. Happy hunting!